Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Sondoluafem Godobi, and we'll continue in this subject called algebra. Alright, today our revisions will be based on simultaneous equation. Alright, let's go straight to the example. Example 1, we have solved the simultaneous equations 7x minus 2y equals to 26, 6x plus 5y equals to 29. Alright, straight to the solution. I know we have different methods we do use to solve simultaneous equation. We have by elimination method, by substitution method, by graphical method. But I'm going to stick on substitution method because the substitution method works for all types of simultaneous equation. Okay, so we have 7x minus 2y equals to 26 and 6y plus 5y equals to 29. Question 2. So using substitution method, so at equation 1 now, I will make at equation 1, I will make x the subject. So make x the subject. So you can check the previous lesson in order to know how to change the subject of formula. Alright, equation 1 we have 7x minus 2y equals to 26. So we have to take this minus 2y to the other side. We have 7x equals to 26 plus 2y. Then divide both sides by 7 in order for x to stand alone. So we have x equals to 2x plus 2y, everything over 7. So let's make this equation 3. Now we have to put this x equals to 26 plus 2y in equation 2. Don't make a mistake of putting it in equation 1 because it is equals to 1 you actually change to equation 3. So now equation 2 we have 6x plus 5y equals to 29. So let's substitute the value of x, that is equation 3. We have 26 plus 2y, everything over 7, plus 5y equals to 29. So to eliminate this fraction, this denominator 7, so we have to multiply all through by 7. So we have 6 to 26 plus 2y plus 7 times 5, that is 35, y equals to 29 times 7. We have 203. Alright, so now we have 26 times 6. We have 156 plus 6 times 2. We have 12y plus 35y equals to 203. So rearranging it and adding, we have 12y plus 35y, that will give us 47y equals to 203. If 156 cross this other side, we have 156. So we have 47y equals to 203 minus 156. That should give us 47. Then we can now divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 47. And with that, we have the value of y to be equals to 1. So now we can now easily put y equals to 1 in equation 3 in order to get the value of x, which is 26. Our x equation 3 is given as 26 plus 2y over 7. So substituting the value of y, we have s equals to 26 plus 2 into bracket 1, that is 2 times 1 over 7. That is s equals to 26 plus 2 over 7. That's s equals to 28 over 7. And that should be equals to 4. So that equals to 4. I mean our x. So therefore our s equals to 4. And then y equals to 1. So you can take your time and watch the video again and again. Any question, you are free to drop it at the comment section. So let's go straight to question example 2. example 2. Okay, in example 2, we have solve x over 8 plus 5 over 2 equals to 1. This is equation 1. The equation 2, we have 11 plus y over 3, which is equals to 3x, equation 2. So, using substitution method, I've told you earlier that the substitution method works for all kinds of simultaneous equations. So, it's better that you mastermize, you gain more knowledge and we're grounded in using substitution method. All right, we have x. We already have y to be the subject of equation 1. So x over 8, 5 over 2 is equals to y. So this is equation 1. So I'm going to put equation 1 in 2. All right. So in equation 2 now I have 11 plus y over 3 equals to 3x. So instead of this y, I'll put this old value and drop it inside that y. So by that, I'm going to have 11 plus what we have in that y, that is x over 8 plus 5 over 2. Don't forget, this is y over 3, that is everything here over 3 is equals to 36. You don't need to scale, it's very, very simple to solve. All right, so in order to eliminate this fraction, you have to multiply through by 3. That is each terms by 3. So 11 times 3, we get 33. Plus, if we multiply everything here by 3, it's going to eliminate this denominator. So you will be left with x over 8 plus 5 over 2 equals to that same 3 times 3x, that will give you 9x. All right, to eliminate this fraction 8. So the LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. So you have to multiply each terms by 8 so that we can eliminate those fractions. So that will be 33 times 8. And 33 times 8, we have 264 plus x plus 5 over 2 times 8. That will be 2 times 5. That is 10. Okay. That will be 2, that is 20 rather. That is 2 in 20. 2 in 8, 4, 4 times 5, 20. Good. Equals to 9x times 8. That's equals to 72x. I believe you understand. What we just did is that we find the LCM of 8 and 2, which is 8. Then we multiply each terms by 8. 33 times 8, x over 8 times 8, 5 over 2 times 8, and 9x times 8. All right. So we can just rearrange everything. We have x minus 72, x equals to minus 264 minus 20. Just collect like times rearrange, one cross the other side. So x minus 72, x, that will be minus 71x. So be very careful of that. So you have minus 264 minus 20, and that is 2 minus 284. So you have to divide both sides by minus 71. That is the coefficient of x. So dividing both sides by coefficient of x, that will be 284 divided by 71. So our x is equals to what? 4. So with this value now, we can get the solutions to y. Is that taken? All right. So back to question. Our equation 1, we have x over 8 plus 5 over 2 equals to y. So here now we already get the value of x to be equals to 4. So we just put that in this equation 1. So that will now be 4 over 8. That will put x here, substitute it here. 4 over 8 plus 5 over 2 is equals to y. So 4 over 8, that is 1 over 2, right? That is 4 in 4, 1, 4 in 8, 2, plus 5 over 2 equals to 1. So this the LCM are equal, the denominator are the same, rather than we add up the numerator. That will be 1 plus 5, 6 over 2 equals to y. So then our y equals to 6 over 2, that is 3. So then we can say that our s equals to 4, so therefore s equals to 4 and y equals to 3. So that gives us the solution of that example 2. So, and that is where we are going to stop for today. So you can take your time and go and watch the video again in order for it to gain a proper understanding. Thank you for watching. See you next time.